video we are going to give a makeover to this old boring space. I am going to make it converted into a reading corner for my kids. So first I have chosen a theme of superheroes. So I have drawn buildings on this wall with the help of the pencil, and I have applied masking tape on all the borders to give a finish and a nice look. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take emulsion paint or oil paint or the wall paints that are easily available at the paint shops, and I'm going to apply it with the help of this roller brush. These roller brushes are very good for these wall paintings. Do try it and you will love it. Now as it dries out, I have left it for about 24 hours. As it dries out, I am going to remove the masking tape and see the neatness and I just love this technique, and it turned out really nice. So I am going to stick these wooden alphabets at the wall too. So first of all, I'm going to prime them up with the help of this gesso, or you can use any white acrylic color as a primer. The concept of applying primer is so that the color that we are going to apply on the top of this primer, it will pop out. Otherwise it fades away if we don't use a primer at the base. So as it is done, I have drawn different figures and different design on these wooden alphabets according to the superhero theme. Now I am going to use acrylic colors, and I am going to make a design and paint them up with the help of the flat brush and round brush. You can use make any kind of theme, whatever your kid like or you want to have it. Many ideas are available on Pinterest. Now with the help of the round brush, I am giving details to this design. I have painted the major part with the help of the flat brush, and now I am going to design them up or giving details with the help of this round brush. So it is very quite easy and smoothly you can do it. Just a simple focus is required, and don't forget the inner edges and the outer edges of the alphabets, because they are actually exposed on the wall. Now as it is done, I am going to remove the masking tape and my design will be completed. So this is quite easy and simple, but always remove the masking tape when the paint dries up, because if you will be in a hurry, then all the paint will messed up on your frames. So this is done. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to make windows with the help of this yellow acrylic color and round brush on all buildings. This is quite easy and simple but time taking. Now as it is done, I am going to decorate this area. First of all, I am using this 3-folded mattress, and I am going to cover it up with the help of this black sheet. Then I have used these 2 cushions at the back and 2 small cushions at the front. Now at the upper portion, I am going to stick these wooden letters at the upper portion of the wall with the help of the double tape. Now I have stuck all the wooden letters with the help of the double tape. Now I have these Avenger cardboard cutouts from a normal toy box, and I have stuck them up with the help of the double tape on all the buildings, and it was looking really beautiful. I hope you guys like my effort and video. Kindly please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos very soon. This is quite easy and simple method. You can decorate any area with the help of simple techniques and ideas and your own choice. I have chosen this superhero theme because my kids love this theme. So this is the most favorite part of the room for my kids nowadays. So thank you so much for watching my video.